In this video, we are going to see how we can hide the YouTube likes or dislike or even the comments on YouTube. So YouTube has recently disabled the dislike button. So you can enable that if you want to see some of the dislikes on a particular video, you want to get a rough idea. For that, you can use an external Chrome extension. But here's how you can completely disable the likes, dislike, and even the comments from a particular video so that no user should be allowed to see it. First of all, you head over to the profile icon of yours at the top right hand corner and click on the YouTube Studio. From here, in the content section, we just select the video for which we want to see or hide those likes and dislikes. Click on that. And after that, we just scroll down, click on show more. And when we reach in the comment section, you can completely turn it off or pause it however you like. Or otherwise, you can keep it on, but you can hold all comments so that you receive the comments, but it should be hidden on the video. And after that, the most important option is show how many viewers like this video. As you already know that the dislike button is already disabled, so we can disable this one as well. We disable this and now the users or viewers should not be able to see your like video or how many people liked your video. You save it from here and that is pretty much how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.